So creating an account of Pinterest is a simple process. Here's a full step-by-step guide to help you sign up for Pinterest and get started. First of all, you have to download the Pinterest app on your device. You have to navigate to your Play Store or Apple Store to download that app. On the search bar, you have to type the Pinterest. Once you have typed the Pinterest, here you can see the install options. Just tap on the install option. So wait until the 100% completed here. Once the Pinterest has been downloaded, you can open it on your device and launch it on your device. Here you can see that Pinterest has been installing on my device. Once you have successfully downloaded the Pinterest, you have to tap on the open option to launch your Pinterest app. So here you can see that once you have opened up the app, you will be prompted to either log in or sign off if you don't have an account. So here you can continue with your email address, Facebook, or with your Google account. So here you can choose your platform according to your interest here. Once you are done, here you have to enter your birth date. After entering your birth date, you have to just tap on the next option to create your account of your Pinterest, and you have to just go and select your gender and your country or region, and you have to pick one or more to correct your experience here. So just go and select here. After that, just go for the next option and follow the on-screen instruction. So here you can see that. Once done, here you can see that you have been successfully logged into your Pinterest account after setting up your Pinterest profile. So this is the way how you can create the account of your Pinterest. On the top right corner, on the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person shaped options. Just go for that. And here you can see your profile and your account here. So if you want to change any account setting here, you can go for this. So that's way you can easily create the account on your Pinterest. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.